Hey there, crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about new ways to earn rewards on some projects that we have done, two projects precisely, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So watch the video to the end so you understand everything. If you're new to the channel, then click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you don't miss out on any content and updates on this channel. Like the video so it is recommended to others, and give us your feedback in the comments and any questions you'd like to ask. Put them in the comment box. All the links to the Zealy quest are in the description box below, and the link to our Twitter included. Now, how to join this Zealy quest? Once you click on the link, I'm going to label them. It is for Mavia Waitlist and Pop Social, two projects that we have done on this channel, and if you check on our channel you'll be able to see them previous videos not very long ago, so make sure you watch them to be able to join. So once you click on the links, it will take you to the Zealy quest. This is for Pop Social. As you can see, it's their Zealy quest. You can earn by daily logging in and answering some questions. So once you're able to finish all these quests, they are going to give you the coins for participating. It has an end date, so once it's done they're going to distribute based on how many points you have earned. So I want each and every one of you to participate so you earn as much pop tokens as possible, because this is time limited and they're paying in their token, and it is a lot of rewards, $200,000 worth of pop token that they are distributing. The second one is Mavia Waitlist. This is the name of their Zealy. It is Heroes of Mavia. They have different quests. I've already done some. You can see they are in review. So you can earn daily by clicking on Daily Connect, and you have to follow some of their Twitter accounts, do some tasks, solve some quizzes, and some points every day to unlock. And for the questions, I'm going to also drop the answers to the questions in the description box so you can check it out for the quizzes. I'm going to be doing that. So this is all about how to earn from the Zealy quest. They have limited time. Both of them are ending in approximately 2 months. So make sure to join to earn these tokens. Very limited time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next video. Till next time.